See, with being with other teachers, other school leaders, we are able to share our own problems. And once we know our problems are similar to theirs, our burden is so much lessened. We feel so light because they are also facing to the same problems. And now we can discuss the different ways they are tackling the problem. Like recently in the last workshop, we were discussing how to improve 10th standard results. So there are a lot of improvements, inputs from so many school leaders. And now we have got an idea about what we were not doing and what we could do better.
Right.
And also there is comradeship with other school principals, and it's a time where we can get away from your regular routine and time to mingle with others. At the same time, learn so many things. And the workshop mode also is very, it's not too taxing. It's informative. At the same time, it's not such a burden. It's not so boring. Sometimes you feel, oh, it's a whole day we have to sit, but this time this flies.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.